We're not gonna make this a depressing video because if you're watching this video, chances are you are already feeling down. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. Today we're not only going to be cleaning together, we are also going to be talking about some wonderful mental health tips that are going to hopefully help you guys through your season and through your trials. For all of you amazing moms out there who are just living life. And if you're new here, I typically make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey. I do curriculum reviews, day in the life videos, and so much more. If you're a human being, you're going to go through trials. What kind of trials am I talking about? It could be suffering from a mental health illness. It could be suffering from temporary depression, anxiety. It could be a death in the family. There could be an illness in the family. You could be taking care of elderly people. You could have just had a baby. Maybe you're having postpartum depression. Maybe you're just overwhelmed. Maybe you've had some major life circumstances that are hitting you at once. Maybe you're just PMSing and you're just having a really hard time with your hormones right now. Or you're hitting menopause and you're just going crazy. No matter what kind of trials you are facing, there is a way out of it. Now, I do not have all the answers because I myself am in the middle of trials myself. So what better way than for us to walk through this season together. As you guys are watching this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 7,000 subscribers by the end of this year as my own personal goal. Goals are one major thing that are here to help you get off of that couch and back on your feet. So if you guys can help me out by hitting that subscribe button if you like what you see and helping me reach 7,000 subscribers by the end of this year. When you're going through things, another thing on your I don't want to do list is leave the house, especially to go food shopping. That's where ordering your groceries to be delivered to your home comes in handy, and what led me to cleaning out my entire refrigerator, cabinets, and basically the whole kitchen. We all know that when you're feeling down or depressed, even the simplest tasks can feel overwhelming. But did you know that cleaning can actually help improve your mood? So today we're gonna begin by tackling the kitchen because this is the place most commonly used in most homes because you gotta eat. The first step is to start small. Choose one area or task to focus on. Like I said, today we're gonna start with the kitchen. So if you have a sink full of dirty dishes, let's get those out of the way. After tackling those dirty dishes, now you finally have some plates that you can eat on when you get hungry or when your kids get hungry. Like I mentioned earlier, cleaning can have several positive effects on your mood and overall well-being. So let me just name a few. 1. Reducing clutter. Clutter and mess can create a sense of chaos and disorganization, which can contribute to stress and anxiety. I mean, when your mind is already feeling cluttered and a mess, you do not want to add to that by having a messy and cluttered home. So cleaning and organizing your living space can help reduce this stress by providing a sense of order and control. It enhances productivity. A clean and organized environment can make it feel easier to focus on tasks and be more productive. When you're not distracted by clutter, you can concentrate better on your work or other activities. Especially if you're a homeschooler, you know how hard it is to homeschool and find things when your homeschool room is a hot mess. Boosts mood. The act of cleaning and accomplishing tasks can release endorphins, which are known as feel-good hormones. Completing cleaning tasks can give you a sense of achievement and satisfaction, which improves your mood. Promotes physical activity. Cleaning often involves physical activities such as sweeping and mopping, lifting, and can lead to increased physical fitness. Exercise is known to release endorphins and improve mood. Let me just tell you, when I got finished cleaning this kitchen, I was exhausted. So that was definitely my workout for the week. It enhances mental clarity. A clutter-free environment can also lead to mental clarity. When your space is organized, your mind can feel less cluttered, making it easier to think clearly and make decisions. Improves sleep. A clean and tidy bedroom can promote better sleep. I'm really gonna have to get on this one because this is a struggle for us. But when your sleeping environment is clean and comfortable, you're more likely to get a good night's rest, which in turn can have a positive effect on your mood. Reduces allergens. Cleaning can help remove dust, allergens, and pollutants from your environment, leading to better air quality. Breathing clean air can have a positive impact on your overall well-being and mood. It creates a sense of accomplishment. Completing cleaning tasks, whether big or small, can give you a sense of accomplishment. This feeling of achievement can boost your self-esteem and confidence, leading to an improved mood. Not to mention, if someone ends up popping by your house, you're not going to be embarrassed because your house looks disgusting. Which leads us into the next thing. It enhances social well-being. A clean and inviting home can make you more comfortable having friends and family over. Social interactions and a sense of community can significantly impact your mood and happiness. And last but not least, it reduces cognitive load. A cluttered space can subconsciously add to your cognitive load, as you have to constantly process and navigate around the mess. Cleaning reduces this load, making it easier to focus on other important aspects of your life. So cleaning not only improves the physical environment, but it also has an impact on your mental and emotional well-being. A clean and organized space can help reduce stress, boost your mood, and enhance your overall quality of life. Once you've completed your cleaning task, reward yourself. Maybe you want to sit down and have a hot drink. Maybe you want to relax and read a good book. Maybe a TV show. Celebrate your achievement somehow, no matter how small they seem. Today I decided to relax on my couch and read a nice book while I rested and reward myself for cleaning the kitchen. Guys, I pray that you will all benefit from this video, and just remember, one day at a time, one thing at a time, one step at a time. We will continue to discuss this topic throughout this channel along with my other usual videos. So take care, God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next video.